How to create a newsletter in MailChimp. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create newsletters in MailChimp. So let's get started. First of all, head over to the left side of the screen and click on Create. And here you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you get to just select regular email, automation, or even any other page such as landing page. So let us just create a landing page over regular email. So I'm just going to create a regular email. So just click on it. And over here, you need to select whether you want to start from scratch, use a basic layout, or fully designed template. Now, if you wish to create a fully designed template, you need to have an upgraded version of MailChimp. And then you can select from the various designs over here and various templates that align with your ideas. You can even search for any template that you want over here. So once you've done that, you can just select any template, but for that, obviously you need to have a premium. So if you need to add any content or remove, so don't worry, you can just select any template and add your own pictures, your own edits, your own texts, your own titles, or you can even remove everything from scratch and just start again if you don't like in template. So basically, template is for giving you a whole overview of that what type of newsletter you want to create. But if you want to create a newsletter from scratch, just click on Start from Scratch here at the bottom left. So once you click on Start from Scratch, you'll be redirected to an interface that will have a blank canvas type of thing in front of you, where you can start creating and designing a newsletter from start. Now over here, you can see that MailChimp has been updated and all of the contents have been shifted to the left side. And here you can just click on a specific block and add contents. Now there are various contents that you can add. You can just click on add image and you can click on upload and select the image from your computer that you wish to add. For example, I've added this, and after that you can just add different stuff over here. Now you can see once you click on the block, you can just either upload image or you can browse image from the internet, but note that be aware from copyrights. So let us just select this image we have over here. So I'm just going to click on insert, and over here you'll be able to see that the image has been added. So you can even crop the image according to your own liking. Like if you only want the header of the image to be over here, so you can just add that. Now if you wish to go back and add any other contents, you can just drag and drop image and add the image again if you wish to crop it and keep another part of it, so that you can add other contents within the blocks. Now you have only 3 blocks here right now, but that's not all. You can add logos, you can add images, videos, and everything over here. So whatever you wish to add, you can just drag and drop from the content. Like we have heading over here, so you can give it a heading. So I'm just going to take a heading from here, that is to refresh your inbox. So I'm just going to copy it from here, or like a special treat. Okay, so I'm just going to type down the heading over here, just paste it from there. And after that, you can see that you can format the background color and everything according to your own liking. And after that, you have done that, you can just change the borders, you can change margin, you can even change the font size, the font type, everything. Then we have paragraph, so you can drag and drop paragraph, and then you can type down any paragraph over here. I'm gonna just copy and paste for demonstration purpose. So let's just take this paragraph from here and type that down over here. Now it will look something like this. You can see it's very small or it's big, or that just depends on you whether you want it to be big or small. So you can just either select it and format it, such as changing color. You can change the font size, the font style, the alignment, whether you want it to be left, middle, or right. So that totally depends on you. Now you can see I've made it bold. Now if you wish to add button, you can drag and drop that, and you can change the button colors and everything. You can also link it to any other place, and then you can type down that web address over here, so that someone click the button, they'll be redirected there. Now we have divider. So what basically divider does is that it just separates your blocks from one another, and the basic reason for cropping newsletter was that you can add borders. Then we have creative AI assistant, that is a built-in assistant. So you can just feed in information about your specific website, and this AI assistant will help people in understanding your website better. So after that, we have other things like social. We have video, you can add a video over here. And then we have socials, you can add your social media links over behind these, and whenever someone clicks on these links. So Facebook, Instagram, and accept are not all. You can just click on share, and after that recipient's post will be shared to there. And you can just type down your links over here, and you can also select other stuff. Like you can see there are numerous social media websites that you can link from: TikTok, Spotify, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, other stuff. Facebook and Instagram and accept are not all. So for example, I've selected accept over here, but there's already an accept, so I'm just going to add another one. So that is basically a mail app. And then we have the website and other stuff like LinkedIn, so you can keep on adding that. And then we have survey, like if you want any survey to be added over here. So MailChimp surveys allow you to see which audience members respond and create tags and subscribe new contacts, set up automations and other stuff like that. And after that, in contents, we have code. Now, if your website refers to any coding or such as, a compiler type of website, so you can just type a code down over here in order to make it aesthetic, or even grab a greater number of audience towards your website. So after that, we have other stuff like apps. You can select apps to add to content, and you can link them over here. And then we have product and product, right? So you can just add your product cards and everything over here, so that whenever someone wants to purchase your products, they can see all the specs and everything related to the products. So once you do so, you can add images from here. So let me just upload any image. So you can just click on add image or browse image from here. So I'm just gonna select this image and insert it over here as well. And now you can see that this image has been added. So this is kind of newsletter. This is just a demonstration purpose. You can obviously change it accordingly. Now when you wish to save and exit it, it says that you have to complete the formatting. So for that, just click on save and exit, and once you do so, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. Now here you gotta give your your newsletter a name. So just give it a name that just best describes your brand or your campaign. So just give it a suitable name that you would like. For example, over here, your brand is related to clothing, so I'm just going to type down clothing brand just for demonstration purpose. Obviously, don't make the name too common. Make it unique that refers to your brand. Then you gotta add a subject. So subject is basically kind of tells what your newsletter is about. You can even add emojis in order to make it more catchy. And you can also select audience, like who you want this newsletter to be sent to. So after that, you can also add a preview text. And after all of this stuff like subject, like to, from, and design is set, so make sure you can just give it a thorough look so that it aligns with your brand perfectly. And then you can just click on send and send it to the specified subscribers. So that was basically how you can create a newsletter in MailChimp. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.